So preparing for a photo shoot can be a little bit overwhelming at times, but I'm here to help. So in today's video, I'm going to share some simple steps to get you confident, camera ready, and bossy for your next photo shoot. Ready? Let's dive in. So with any shoot, you have to start with your wardrobe. And this is because you want to make sure that you find something that matches your personality, plus it matches the vibe of the shoot. So for example, neutral colors and solid colors work good if you're doing a portrait, but then if you're going on a beach, you might want to wear something a little bit more flowy and a little bit more vibrant. But the trick is, if you feel like you want to add some fun to it, don't be afraid to spice it up, but you still have to keep in mind and keep in consideration the vibe of the shoot and what you want to portray when persons see the image. Keep in mind that you have to find something that fits your body type well. You want to find something that the material is nice and comfortable and you can move easily and you're not sweating and you're hot and all these things. So keep that in mind. So location is always something that's overlooked as well. If you're doing a location shoot, let's say you're doing something on the beach, you want to wear something like light colors and probably a nice flowy dress to offset your bathing suit or whatever you're wearing, and you want to bring props as well, like a hat, sunglasses, and stuff like that. When it comes to wardrobe as well, you don't want to wear anything that is too overly trendy and have a lot of logos, unless you're doing something for your branding and it's a branding shoot. But you want to keep everything focused on you. You don't want anything in the image that's distracting everybody from you, right? So you want to be the main focus of that image. So if you're still confused as to what to wear, bring a couple options and make sure you communicate with your photographer. Photographers like myself, I will always help my clients decide and come up with different combination as to what to wear to make them stand out in their image. Alright, so the second tip has to do with grooming and styling. Make sure you're grooming on point. For the man, then make sure your hair cut, make sure you have a good shave. Pro tip, make sure you shave the night before, because sometimes depending on certain people, they have like razor irritation and you don't want that the morning of. So by the morning, that kind of wear off, and make sure you use moisturizer and all of them things. For the ladies, make sure you have makeup planned and your hair appointment done. If you are unsure of who is going to do your makeup and your hair, make sure you do a test run with those type of persons before. I know some people like to go to Sephora and get the quick thing, but I've done images, and sometimes when we zoom in, especially if it's a profile photo, we're going to get up close and personal, and whatever imperfections that's under the makeup is going to show. So make sure whoever is doing your makeup does an excellent job. Now, mind you, professionals know how to make sure that you look good on camera, but that makes it less work for us in post-production, and because of that, you get your images back even quicker. And if you're going to do your makeup on your own, make sure you practice. Don't leave it for the day and then you're disappointed and stressed out, because that's going to come out in your photos and we don't want that. And remember, communication is key. So if you don't know who or how your hair or makeup is going to get done, I got your back. All you have to do is let me know, and I have a couple people on speed dial and they'll be here to help you. You're going to have a one-stop shop and everything will be perfect for your day. So the third tip, make sure you rest and hydrate. The day before you shoot, make sure you get lots of rest, you drink lots of water, you moisturize your skin, so when you come on the day, your energy levels are high and your skin looks so refreshed. Trust me, a good night's sleep can make all the difference and make you look so much more refreshed and looking your best. You have to remember, prioritizing your well-being, I'm gonna make you feel good inside out no matter what. So when you come on the day, your body are gonna appreciate that and you're going to look your best in front of the camera. So remember to prioritize your well-being, hydrate, moisturize, and get a lot of rest. Your body are gonna thank you for it. Okay, so moving on to the fourth tip, and that is bring essentials. Now I know we've been going through a couple things and you're already anxious about the shoot. You want to make sure so you don't look goofy when you pose, but these things that you're going to bring are just to make sure that you feel good and just as a backup. Your lipstick, your blotting paper, your blotting sponge and comb, hairspray, a bag of chips, some music. But some of these things I already have in studio, so you don't have to worry about that. I got you. But for your personal comfort, make sure you bring certain things like hairspray, just to make sure that when you take your pictures, have some flyaways, that them call it flyaways. Yeah, some flyaways, and me have to edit them out and make sure your hair laid. That's still a term, right? Laid. But yeah, so make sure your hair look good. You want to make sure you have certain things in place, so when you come, enough you run up and down if certain things out of place. For outdoor shoots, remember to pack essentials for that as well, like sunscreen, mosquito repellent, a bottle of water, a sweater, props. Make sure you have props that you want to include to make your outfit stand out even more. Fifth and final tip I have for you is to trust me. And when I say trust me, trust your photographer. You don't need to know how to pose. I'll guide you every step of the way. If you're feeling anxious for any reason, take a deep breath and your confidence will come through. And I will be there to help you every single step of the way. And that's it. With a little preparation, you'll feel confident and ready to shine on your next photo shoot. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like and subscribe and follow for more photography content. So I can't wait to capture your story, but until the next time, see you soon. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll make sure to get to them. See you on the next one. Peace.